In this video, I will show you how to add an outline glow effect in Capcut. So in this video, I will show you two methods on how to add the outline glow effect. So the first method, after you open up now your Capcut, go to the text. Now click on this plus button. Now here is this text. So after you add this text, now select the text, go to this section and delete the text. After you delete text, for this video, I'll use cycle. I'll just type in full stop. Now here is full stop. I'll increase the size. After I increase the size, I'll take it to up. So as you can see now, I get a cycle object. So after I get my cycle object, I'll just click on it like this. Under the text, go to basics, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, here is it now. So here is it now. So click on this glow. Click on this glow, then scroll to down. Click on this section. After I click on this object, scroll to down and click on this color. So from this option, I'll just go ahead and choose this black, or I'll use this one. So after I choose this color, so click on this section. So here you can increase the range. So or you can increase the intensity. Intensity is the thickness and the range is the width of the outline glow. So here is it now. After you finish, now you add this, you add the outline glow to an object, and you can be able now to add the outline glow to text as well. So just click on this plus. Now here is my text. All I have to do now, after I select the text like this, just go to this basics. Under the basics, scroll to down and check on this glow. After you check on the glow, select this one and select the color. So here you can go ahead and change the color. After you change the color, so like this, so here you can go ahead, scroll to down and increase the intensity and the range. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.